No, you're not gonna wreck it. Sweetheart. Okay, yeah, may sandalan para nakasakay sa wheelchair niya. Naka-wheelchair ba? Oh, sweetheart, this is cute. Pag-awatin na mo ito, oh. Meron siyang ganito, oh. Ah, diba? Do you like this, sweetheart?
I like that one, yeah.
Okay, try it. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you guys have a helmet? Okay.
No, I'm not going to test drive one today, hon.
Why?
Because I haven't ridden a motorcycle since I was like 21, and I'd probably spill it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
So how we gonna buy? Yeah. So how we gonna buy if you're not confident?
How much are these going for?
This one.
I don't even think they're expensive.
Kagawad, matagal daw siya. Matagal na raw siya nag-drive dati. 21 years old pa siya. Pero merong driving class. Parang feeling ko I'm gonna take the drive test too. I'm gonna take the class. Wow, tamsak host. Bili na, ang ganda niyan. Oo, Jenny. Santiago. Oo, eto Harley. Harley Davidson. Eto. But we have to take the class first before we take, so, mga kapitbahay, eto talaga. Kagawad, tinan mo, oh, meron pa siyang ganito. Eto talaga, Diyos ko, kahit 10 hours mo ako isakay kagawad, eto gusto ko. Ayan. Ayan, sexy ko sa salamin, mga kapitbahay. Nakita niyo ba yung salamin? Ayan, ah. Ayan. Mga kapitbahay, tinan niyo to. At saka ang galing talaga, meron ka talagang ganda niya kahit nakahiga ka pa pwede. Oo, kagawad, grabe. Eto, sobra. Kagawad, eto gusto ko kagawad. Eto, pag sinakay mo ako dito, talagang wala akong reklamo sa'yo. Eto, oh. Tapos meron pa siya ditong parang yung taguan, storage. Tapos ito, apakan niya, oh. O, diba? Very comfortable. Komportable talaga itong motor. Ito, grabe. Pero yung asawa ko, ito gusto niya. Ito gusto niya kay kagawad, oh. Ito ang type niya. How much is this, sweetheart?
It says 10,000. 9,900.
O, diba? O, kagawad. Ito, hindi siya masyadong mahal. Makapit ba yung mas mahal ang motor sa Pilipinas ka siya dito? Ito, mabibili mo lang siya ng $9,000. So, it means $500,000 pesos. So, for the motorcycle and Harley Davidson is not that expensive. It means it's like, you know. Ayan. Santiago you can road this at the I-5.
Yeah.
See? Ito, madadrive mo siya sa highway. Madadrive mo siya talaga sa highway, kagawad. This one is, I don't like this one. This is so long.
That's like a classic look.
Oh yeah? You don't like or like? Yeah.
Sit on it.
Huh?
Sit on it. See if you can reach it.
Okay. Can you take my video?
Put your feet there.
Here?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. What days are your dating?
Can you reach it?
I think I'm so tall.
It's too tall for you? Okay. Here you go.